As technology continues to evolve, we are seeing an incredible range of gadgets that are designed to make our lives easier, more convenient, and more fun. Whether you are looking for a portable washing machine, a high-tech jump starter, or a solar-powered speaker, there are plenty of innovative products out there that will amaze you. Let's take a look at 12 of the coolest gadgets that will amaze you and make your life easier. WashWow W1. WashWow W1 is a portable washing machine that can clean clothes without the need for detergent or water. One of the standout features of the WashWow W1 is its size. It measures only 4.33 by 4.33 by 1.97 inches, making it incredibly easy to carry around, and weighs only 8.8 ounces, so it won't take up too much space in your luggage. The device uses ultrasonic technology to create high-frequency vibrations that agitate the water and remove dirt and stains from your clothes. It takes only 30 minutes to complete a washing cycle. The WashWow W1 is also eco-friendly, as it doesn't require any detergent. It uses only 20 watts of power, making it energy efficient. It can be charged via USB so that you can use it anywhere, anytime. In terms of pricing, the WashWow W1 is priced at $119. It is an affordable option for people who want to save time and money on laundry. Pioneer 2. Pioneer 2 is a powerful 12V jump starter that is a must-have for car owners. It is a reliable and convenient device that can jumpstart your car's dead battery in a matter of seconds. With a maximum output of 2,500 A, the Pioneer 2 is capable of jump-starting large vehicles such as trucks and SUVs. The Pioneer 2 measures 9.8 by 4.7 by 1.6 inches and weighs only 2.6 pounds. It is small enough to fit in your glove box but powerful enough to jumpstart your car multiple times on a single charge. It comes with a built-in LED flashlight that can be used as an emergency light in case of a breakdown. To use the Pioneer 2, simply connect the device to your car's battery, turn it on, and start your car. It can jumpstart your car in seconds, saving you time and hassle. It also comes with a USB port that can be used to charge your phone or other devices on the go. In terms of pricing, the Pioneer 2 is priced at $139. Nova Plus A8 Duo. The Nova Plus A8 Duo is an affordable stylus designed for use with iPads. It is a popular choice among students, artists, and professionals. The Nova Plus A8 Duo features a 1.5 mm ultra-fine tip that provides accurate writing and drawing on your iPad. It is made with a high-quality material that feels comfortable in your hand and provides a natural writing experience. The stylus comes with a magnetic cap that protects the tip when not in use and also doubles as a clip that can attach to your iPad case or pocket. The Nova Plus A8 Duo is a dual-function stylus that works with both capacitive and resistive screens. This means that it can be used with a wide range of devices, including iPads and iPhones. The Nova Plus A8 Duo has a long battery life, with up to 20 hours of continuous use in a single charge. It charges quickly with a charging time of only 1 hour. It is currently priced at $29.99. 𝗏𝗏. The 𝗏𝗏 is the world's smallest wearable Wi-Fi camera, designed for capturing moments. It is so small that it can be worn on your clothing or attached to your bag. The 𝗏𝗏 features a 120-degree wide-angle lens that captures stunning high-definition footage and images. It has a resolution of 1080p and can capture up to 30 frames per second. The camera also features night vision mode, which enables you to capture footage in low-light conditions. The 𝗏𝗏 connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to view and download footage directly to your device. You can also use the 𝗏𝗏 app to remotely control the camera and adjust settings. The camera has a built-in rechargeable battery that provides up to 90 minutes of continuous recording time on a single charge. The 𝗏𝗏 weighs only 15 grams and measures 1.26 inches in length and 0.87 inches in diameter. It is available in 3 colors, black, blue, and red. It is currently priced at $69. 𝗨𝗏𝗫. The 𝗨𝗏𝗫 is a versatile accessory for action camera enthusiasts. The product is designed to be compatible with GoPro cameras and features a lightweight and durable design. The device comes with several attachments. It includes a tripod mount, bottle mount, and extension arm, which allows users to attach their cameras to a variety of surfaces. The bottle mount is particularly useful for capturing footage while cycling. 𝗨𝗏𝗫 is made of high-quality materials, including aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. The product's weight is just 205 grams, making it easy to carry around. 𝗨𝗏𝗫 is a well-established brand in the photography and videography industry. With its reliable construction and numerous attachments, this product is sure to enhance the quality of any footage captured. Waste Reviver. 𝗪𝘀𝘵 is a kitchen composter that converts food waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer. This easy-to-use device is designed to fit under most kitchen sinks, making it a practical addition to any home. The 𝗪𝘀𝘵 features a unique air pump system that accelerates the decomposition process. Its airtight lid and carbon filter prevent unpleasant odors and keep the composting process discreet and hygienic. Additionally, the composter is easy to clean and comes with biodegradable liners, ensuring a hassle-free experience for users. It can process up to 2 pounds of food waste per day, providing users with an effective way to dispose of their organic waste. The 𝗪𝘀𝘵 measures 14 inches in height, 9 inches in width, and 8 inches in depth, and weighs 4.4 pounds. It runs on standard electricity and consumes minimal energy, making it a cost-effective and sustainable addition to any household. Magnic Micro Lights. Magnic Micro Lights are innovative bike lights that are powered by a contactless dynamo. They offer superior performance compared to traditional bike lights as they are lightweight, require no batteries, and produce a strong and steady beam of light. The lights are easy to install and can be used on all types of bikes. These lights use electromagnetic induction to generate power without any direct contact between the dynamo and the wheel. The lights have 3 different modes, including a high power mode for maximum visibility and a low power mode for longer battery life. Magnic Micro Lights are also equipped with a smart sensor that automatically switches the lights on and off when the bike is in motion. This feature helps to conserve battery power. The light weighs just 25 grams each. They are also weather resistant and can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring that the lights will work in any weather. Magnic Micro Lights is a German-based company that specializes in developing sustainable bike lights. 𝗏 solar-powered speakers. 𝗏 is a solar-powered speaker that is perfect for the outdoors. The speakers are equipped with a high-quality solar panel. They are also waterproof, making them ideal for all weather conditions. They are compatible with all Bluetooth-enabled devices, which means you can stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. They also have a built-in microphone, which allows you to take calls hands-free. The speakers have a powerful battery that can provide up to 10 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. 𝗏 comes in a variety of colors and is priced at a very affordable price point. Anzine Energy Block. Anzine Energy Block is a perfect outdoor companion for your power needs. Whether you're on a camping trip, a beach party, or an RV road trip, this portable power station is the ultimate solution. With a massive 1,675 Wh power capacity, it provides enough power to keep all your devices charged for days. The Energy Block Ultimate Outdoor Power Station features a variety of charging ports, including USB-C, USB-A, DC, and AC outlets. It can charge up to 10 devices simultaneously, including small appliances such as mini fridges and portable fans. With a high output of 2000 W, it can even power heavy-duty tools such as saws and drills. It features a rugged design with an IP65 water-resistant rating, making it suitable for use in rain or shine. It also has built-in surge protection and a temperature control system that ensures safe power delivery. The power station can be charged using solar panels, wall outlets, or car chargers. With the included solar panel, it can be fully charged in just 5 to 6 hours in direct sunlight. The Energy Block weighs only 45 pounds. The product also includes a built-in LED flashlight and a convenient LCD screen that displays real-time battery status and other important information. 𝗪𝘀𝘵. The 𝗪𝘀𝘵 is a revolutionary hive entrance product for beekeepers of all experience levels. Made from high-quality materials, this entrance provides a simple solution for beekeepers to maintain hive temperature and ventilation, while also preventing pests and intruders from entering the hive. The entrance is designed to be adjustable to accommodate the specific needs of the bee colony, making it perfect for use during different seasons and weather conditions. This hive entrance is compatible with most hive types and is incredibly easy to install, requiring no special tools. 𝗪𝘀𝘵 is a trusted company in the beekeeping industry, providing innovative products to beekeepers around the world. The company prides itself on creating eco-friendly products and making beekeeping accessible to everyone. Stethoscope Pro. Stethoscope Pro is the ultimate wireless stethoscope to observe the sound of heart, lungs, and other organs in high quality. With its advanced technology, the Stethoscope Pro is capable of amplifying sounds up to 20 times louder than traditional stethoscopes, while also eliminating any ambient noise that can interfere with auscultation. The device also comes equipped with a wireless Bluetooth connection, allowing it to be easily connected to any smartphone or tablet. Weighing only 1.5 ounces, it is easy to carry around. Additionally, the rechargeable battery ensures that it is always ready when you need it. The Stethoscope Pro is also incredibly versatile. It comes with 3 different sized ear tips to accommodate different ear canal sizes and can be used with or without a chest piece. 𝗬𝗲𝗏 Ball. The 𝗬𝗲𝗏 Ball is the world's first free weight punching bag that provides a revolutionary training experience. Its unique design offers a new way to improve hand-eye coordination, speed, and accuracy. It is the perfect tool for martial artists, boxers, and fitness enthusiasts. The 𝗬𝗏𝗏 Ball is made of high-quality materials and features a durable, flexible shell that can withstand powerful punches and kicks. It is also filled with a proprietary free weight system that provides a realistic striking experience without the need for sand or water. The 𝗬𝗏 Ball's adjustable strap allow it to be mounted to any sturdy surface. The ball moves in unpredictable ways, helping to improve reaction time and overall coordination. It is perfect for practicing strikes, kicks, and footwork. If you liked the video, check out this video. Most useful angle grinder disc and attachments you must have.